It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Thank you to the magic of video cameras and YouTube. It's the following day for me, but it's the next week for you. What was left? The sausage is in my slow cooker. The veggies I prepared, tomatoes, peppers, onions, they're all going in. So it's going to be basically the same as it was before, with a few tweaks to it and cooked a different way. So there's no potatoes going in this one. I'm putting a few of my dehydrated mushrooms in. Not many, just a few. Because I want it more like a stew type thing. I'm also going, I'm also going to add a few slices of my dehydrated apple, because I think they go nice with sausage. And what? A few slices of that. Now, as regards the herbage, if you like, this is my dehydrated herbs from my own garden. So I put them in there, squash them up and put them in. The long things may look like stems, but they aren't. They are chives. So just squash them up and it releases all the, you can smell them. It's lovely. I'm also going to add a stock cube. A dash of Worcester sauce. I suppose that's about a tablespoon. Oh, nothing left in the bottle after that. So let's just dump it all in. Then I can throw the bottle and get another one from my extended pantry. I am also going to add just a little bit of mustard. Not put mustard in these before, but I thought I'll give it a go. Water and nudge. That's about half a cup I've put in so far. You can add whatever. If you want salt and pepper, I'm not much of a pepper and I shouldn't have much salt in my diet, so I don't often add that much salt to it. Plus there is salt in the stock cube. That's a bit more water. Just over half a cup of water, I should say that is. Make sure all my dehydrated products are below the water line. And put this in my slow cooker. I'm going to put it on high for about an hour and then leave it on low for a few hours. And I'll give it a taste halfway through that time and see if I want to add anything else. This has had about an hour on high and then 2 hours on low. I had a little taste of it, if it needed seasoning about halfway through that, and it didn't. In fact, it tastes really nice. But now it's actually ready to eat. Well, it was ready to eat a while ago, but all the dehydrated foods in there have now hydrated and cooked through. So what I'm going to do is add a bit of pasta, any shape pasta, doesn't matter. If all you've got is spaghetti, break some spaghetti up and put that in. And I'm going to let that go for about half an hour, and that should be enough for the pasta to be softened and cooked through. So I'll leave that now for another half an hour and then I'll be having my tea. It's had about half an hour and the pasta seems cooked. And there's a lot here again. Well, if I can't eat it all, if Lurch comes early, he can have it. Or I can feed it to the dog. Oh no, because there's onions in it. And onions are not very good for the dog. But it's now ready for my tea. So, I'll turn it off, it doesn't need to be on. But this. Yes, the handle came off my ladle, but I still like this ladle. Yes, there is more than enough for me, so I might come back and have seconds a bit later. But there it is. Very similar ingredients as to yesterday, apart from its pasta. Pasta's just right. And it's a lovely taste to it, and I think it's that touch of mustard I added to it. I'm now going to have my tea. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect